When I turned 60, I thought I was doing everything right, walking every day, eating healthy, staying active. But here's the shocker. I was actually getting weaker. My balance was off, I couldn't carry heavy things like I used to, and my energy tanked halfway through the day. And then I learned something that changed everything. Most people over 60 are unknowingly making the same three mistakes that speed up muscle loss: joint pain and fatigue. But once you fix them, everything shifts. You feel steadier, stronger, and way younger than your age says you should. So, let's go over the three big mistakes that make you weaker after 60 and how to fix each one right now. Mistake 1. Believing walking alone keeps you strong. Look, walking is great. It keeps your heart healthy and your legs moving. But here's the truth. Walking doesn't build muscle. It maintains what you already have, and after 60, that's not enough. See, once you hit your 60s, your body starts losing up to 3% of its muscle every year if you're not actively training it. And when muscles weaken, balance fades, metabolism slows, and even getting out of a chair feels harder than it should. I know, because that was me. I'd take long walks, thinking I was doing everything right. But my thighs still got softer, my arms weaker, and my back sore. Then, my doctor said something that hit me hard. Walking keeps you moving, but strength training keeps you independent. So I started small, wall push-ups, chair squats, and heel raises in my living room. Just 10 minutes a day. Within 3 weeks, my legs stopped trembling when I stood up, and I could lift things without straining. The fix: keep walking, but add 3 strength moves a day. 1 for your legs, 1 for your core, and 1 for your upper body. You'll feel the difference fast. Mistake number 2, ignoring protein and hydration. After 60, your body doesn't process protein as efficiently. That means even if you eat the same meals you did before, your muscles aren't getting enough fuel to repair and grow. Here's what I see all the time: older adults skipping breakfast or eating just toast and coffee. By lunch, they're tired. By evening, they're sore. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders, it's your body's repair crew. It rebuilds muscle tissue, supports your immune system, and even helps prevent falls. And hydration? That's your body's oil. Without it, your muscles stiffen, your joints ache, and your energy drops. I used to skip drinking water because I didn't want to keep running to the bathroom. Big mistake. Dehydration made my muscles feel tight and my brain foggy. Once I started drinking a glass of water before every meal and adding a protein snack like Greek yogurt, eggs, or a protein shake, I felt stronger in a week. The fix: aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal and at least 6 glasses of water a day. Your body will thank you every single morning. Mistake 3, avoiding pain instead of fixing it. This one's sneaky. You feel a little back ache, a knee twinge, or shoulder stiffness, and you think, I better rest. But here's the reality: resting too much makes it worse. When you stop moving, your joints get stiffer, your circulation slows down, and your muscles weaken even faster. Before you know it, that rest becomes a trap, and your body starts to shut down movement piece by piece. The key is not to avoid movement, but to move smarter. If your knees hurt, don't quit exercising. Switch to seated leg lifts or gentle wall squats. If your back aches, strengthen your core with pelvic tilts or bridges. Motion is medicine, and the right movements are the cure. I remember when my lower back pain made it hard to stand up straight. I nearly gave up my morning routine. But instead, I started doing 5 minutes of stretching every night, just gentle moves before bed. Within 2 weeks, the stiffness was gone. Backhand index pointing right: the fix. Don't let pain freeze you. Find movements that work with your body, not against it. You'll build strength, confidence, and freedom again. Now, let's put this all together. If you're over 60 and you feel like your strength is slipping, it's not because you're old. It's because of these 3 habits that have quietly worked against you. But now you know better. White heavy checkmark: walking is good, but strength training keeps you strong. White heavy checkmark: food and water aren't just fuel, they're your recovery tools. White heavy checkmark: and rest shouldn't mean stopping, it should mean moving smarter. The moment you fix these mistakes, your body starts changing fast. Your posture improves. Your energy returns. You feel grounded, balanced, and alive again. The best part? You don't need a gym, fancy equipment or expensive supplements. Just consistency and a belief that your body can still get stronger. Because it can. You're not fragile. You're just waiting to rebuild. And once you start, every day becomes a little easier, every step a little lighter, and every move a reminder that age doesn't define your power. You do. If this message hit home, don't just scroll away. Take action right now. Try one of these fixes today. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this wake-up call. We're building a community of strong, confident adults who refuse to slow down after 60. Because growing older isn't the end of your strength, it's your chance to reclaim it. Stay strong, stay moving, and I'll see you in the next one.